Welcome guys. In this video, we will learn how to upscale and enhance low quality photo on AI website and Photoshop. So as you can see, this is a very low quality photo. We will convert this low quality photo to high quality photo. First, we will go to the upscales.ai website. Click on Upload Image. Select your photo. Click on the Open button. Wait few seconds here. Okay, done. As you can see, this is after photo and this is the before. Click on the download button. The photo has been downloaded. Now we will take this photo in Photoshop. Click on the filter from the menu bar. Click on the camera raw filter. Go to the detail section. Increase sharpening 130. Click on the OK button. Now our photo has become high quality. Thanks a lot for watching the video.